The theme on ISE is evolution on display, but this describes also what we are going to do in 2020. And it's everything about evolution, as mentioned. And we see the evolution in establishing the MiniLED with our 4-in-1 IMD device in mass production. So we already started with that kind of technology in 2018 with our first product, followed up last year with a rental and staging product using that kind of technology, so the IMD and the MiniLED actually. And this year we really move forward, also covering two other core series in our rental or in our fleet, is that we now show two more products. We have a wider range. The MiniLED, we define it as our 4-in-1 IMD device, ideally used for sub 2 mm products. That is how we define it. And where we established that. But it's indeed not a new technology. As I said, already started 2018 by ourselves with the first product, and now it covers a lot of products in the industry. Now it's really ready for mass production, and due to all the advantages. So we have a quite uniform surface, and we see it as an upgrade of existing and still mature SMD technology. A lot of times you see samples everywhere, but then for sure customers come up with the question, oh, it looks nice, when is it available? If we would just show the sample one year ahead, that might be interesting for us to get an idea whether we should go into the direction, or we define it a bit in another direction. So we gather the feedback in advance quite carefully, get all the customer feedback, and then we come out with the product once it's ready for mass production. We are working in a great team, really enjoy all my colleagues, getting more friends, and because we all have passion for our products.